My name is Sajid. Today I am going to discuss with you very important topic regarding English point of view. So why you fear from English, why you fear when you are trying to speak, and what kind of problems you face when you are trying to speak. So I will share some ways through this you can overcome your fairness when you are trying to speak, particularly in English. When you are trying to speak in English, then what kind of things came in your mind and what kind of ambiguity came in your mind, and you try to hesitate to speak in English. So I will give some ideas, some tricks that can help you when you are trying to speak. So if you will access on these ways, definitely you will be able to speak well. So first one is forget perfection. It means that when you are trying to speak, then you shouldn't be considered that you are speaking right or wrong. So if you think that if I am speaking wrong, then it will discourage you. When it will be discourage you, then definitely it create hurdle, it create ambiguity in your mind, it create very strict thing in your mind when you are trying to speak. For example, when you are trying to speak present tense, then you think that he goes to school, so you try to speak in this way. So first thing is this: when you are trying to speak, when you try to speak in English, then you should be don't think on English grammar, on English tenses. Firstly, you have to build confidence regarding speaking point of view. If you will build confidence, definitely one day you will be able to speak well. So if you think that I will be perfect from the beginning, then it's your wrong perception. So that's why it is very obligatory for you. You should be focus on your speaking, you should be focus on your fluency. When you should consider on it, when you think on it, definitely it will create lot of easiness for your speaking. So first thing you should keep in mind when you are trying to speak, then you shouldn't be think I will speak correct English. If you will speak like this, definitely you will face lot of problems. So you should think I have to speak firstly, after this I have to correct myself regarding grammar point of view, regarding tenses point of view, then it will be easy for you. And second one is just keep speaking. It means that when you are trying to speak, anything came in your mind, any point came in your mind, and you think on it again and again, then definitely it create hurdle for you and you can't speak well. So that's why it is very obligatory for you, it is very compulsory for you. When you are trying to speak, then you shouldn't be stop yourself. You have to speak, you have to speak again and again, and you shouldn't think I am speaking wrong or right English. Firstly, you have to speak. After this, you correct yourself regarding grammar point of view and tenses point of view. So that's why you should keep in mind. Just keep speaking. Don't think. Don't afraid. Don't fear about the pronunciation, grammar rules, and other things that came in our English language. So that's why when you are trying to speak, then you should just keep speaking. If you will try to do like this, definitely it will be very easy for you learning of English as well as speaking of English. So third one is practice your listening skill. It means that when you are trying to speak, then you should try to listen approximately 10 to 15 minutes in a day. If you will listen, definitely these words came in your mind and your mind will be flourish and your vocabulary will be strong and you will be easily speak well. So that's why it is very necessary for you. You have to speak well, you have to communicate well. It will be possible if you will listen well. If you will listen well, definitely you can speak well. If you will listen, definitely you can judge the pronunciation of the speaker, you can judge the accent of the speaker, then definitely it will be easy for you for your speaking. So if you want to become a good speaker, then you should try to listen attentively. If you will listen attentively, definitely it create many easiness in your life. So you should keep in mind when you are trying to speak, then you should try to listen as much as you can listen. So fourth one is, don't be discouraged when conversation not well. It means that when I am talking on any topic, then something I forgotten about that point, then if I will think again and again, definitely time will be waste and audience think that you will be confused. So if you will be confused, definitely it create hurdle, it create ambiguity in your mind, and your mind will be stop. When your mind will be stop, and next moment your ideas will be destroy in your mind. So that's why it is very vital for us. You should try to speak, and when you have any ambiguity, any confusion when you are trying to speak, then you shouldn't be discouraged. If you will be discouraged, definitely it creates lot of troubles in your life regarding speaking point of view. So that's why it is very important for you when you are trying to speak, then you should don't be discouraged, don't be confused, don't be afraid, don't be fear. These kinds of things you have to keep in mind all the time. So last one is, understand your fear. It means that when you are trying to speak, then you should think that in front of people I fear, in audience, in front of audience, in front of supervisor, in front of seniors, then you have to work on it. It means that you have to work on it. You have to try to speak again and again on that occasion, on that moment. If you will do this, definitely it will create a lot of easiness in your life. So that's why these kinds of things you should keep in mind all the time. You shouldn't be fear, you shouldn't be stop yourself when you are trying to speak. You shouldn't be far away from listening. You should try to listen as much as you can. So that's why these kinds of things, these kinds of way can help you when you are trying to speak. If you will do these kinds of things, if you will adopt these kind of methods, definitely one day you will be able to speak well. If you will speak well, definitely your communication will be strong, and you can boost yourself, you can build your confidence, and you can show your strength, and you can show your talent. So that's why it is very obligatory for us. It is very compulsory, not only for me but all the other people, they are living in this world, in this society, they should focus on it. So if you want to overcome your fear of speaking, then you have to cover these points. If you will cover these points, definitely one day your hesitation will be removed, your ideas will be flourish, and your thoughts came in your mind all the time.